what's your name?
Finn.
Okay, you are not Godfrey, right? So why you say I am Godfrey?
No.
Okay, so what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do bacterial test.
So what is on the table?
Table is bacterial.
Petri dish.
Petri dish and water
And what's this? Cotton swab.
and cotton swab.
Okay.
Wow.
Alright, so you guys have used this to collect the bacteria, okay?
Today I'm gonna test bacteria on the
iPad?
on
Keyboard?
the motorcycle.
Oh, motorcycle. The wheels.
No, it's like
Okay, too quick.
Yes.
Okay. Motorcycle. Yeah, scratch it.
Scratch it. And then you have to
Okay.
write it on.
Okay, close.
Close and the teacher.
Teacher, you see?
Okay.
I want to test the fin bag. No, please don't. There's no bacteria.
Really? Let's go.
Let's check out his pillow. Do you want to check out his pillow?
Okay.
and she's like a
Oh, the blanket. Hey, Godfrey, just test one thing.
Be careful, be careful.
Not everything on the bed.
My
Just one
pillow
thing.
have a lot of bacteria. Okay.
Okay, go back.
And
Scratch it.
Scratch it.
Several times.
Several times.
Yeah. Then you have to wait
Okay.
for Godfrey and then write it on. Okay.
Okay.
Finn, your turn. Now you want to collect
Do you want to check
Yeah,
my
I want to.
iPhone?
Check.
Anna, Miss Anna's iPhone?
I want to check.
iPad?
I want to check.
Godfrey's t-shirt. I think his t-shirt is very clean.
Let's try something else.
I'll just try my hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's try some.
To test whether you clean it truthfully.
Clean hands. Now my t-shirt is now just the different kind of cats. Not. I want to test.
iPhone, iPad, keyboard?
Dollar is
I want to.
Floor.
Yes.
Floor, okay. You taste floor. I think might be clean.
yes.
Because
The dollar is standing on the floor, so the floor is yucky.
Oh, really? That's okay.
I will test more
Okay, that's
on the box
yeah. The dish. Swapping it.
and close it.
Cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Close it.
Okay, we have two more.
Now I want to test my iPad.
oh, your iPad. Have you ever cleaned your iPad?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. Really? I think my is dirty, right? Can grow a lot of bacteria. Whoa. Okay, good.
This is for control experiment, so cannot push
Anything inside.
anything inside.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay. Control.
Test.
Oh, okay. Now good.
Now we need to find a box.
So we need to put into the box.
Okay. Put there and wrap the box. And after 7 days, we're going to check the bacteria inside, right?
Slow down, slowly.
Do it slowly.
Yes. Oh,
Oh,
slowly. And then Write down the words. Do not touch. C.
It's like a moon, half moon.
H. Oh, good.
Wow.
What are you guys drawing? Bacteria? Monster? Think, what are you drawing? Ah, you write down so many numbers.
I'm just writing 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Whoa.
Oh, is it 2 person, Finn and you?
Then you and your mommy or you and your daddy.
It's a future doctor of biology. Dr. Godfrey, Dr. Finn.
What's that?
And right now we had to put the bacteria
In the world.
in the warm place. Wait for opening, okay?
Wait for 7 days.
1 week later.
Okay, so now we're gonna wait for 7 days, open it, and here the first one is what? The first one, test.
What's the test for?
Test for contracting.
Can you open it?
Control experiment, right?
Okay.
So is there anything inside?
No,
nothing inside.
Maybe,
You didn't put anything inside. This is the control test.
okay.
Very good.
So
And
the
put
second
it
one,
aside.
bean spot. Let's see. A
Let's
bean.
see what's there.
I cannot see.
Clean.
Clean. Oh, thing. Your bag is clean.
Oh,
That's the thing.
it means that the nanny did a good work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Number 4. iPhone.
iPhone or iPad? iPad, can you show me? Can you show me?
What's there? What's there? What's there?
Oh my God! Take a look. Oh,
Bacteria
Mommy, and wait, put the box on it, and we'll grow more.
oh, okay.
We're gonna put a box on it.
So what do you take? This one. Really? I want to see bacteria. Is there anything bacteria in here? Is it?
Okay.
Another way.
Good work. Good work. Clean your hands thoroughly. You did it. Good work. Oh my God! Is it the white bag?
Have you seen the white dot?
white dots there, right?
Yes, right.
So this bacteria is different from the iPad one, right? Okay.
The next one will be.
Oh, the last one.
That's one.
Wow.
Oh my God!
I
What's
see
that? Oh my God! It's so dirty. Don't touch it. Hey, Godfrey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh my God! Oh my God! So dangerous. I need to take a look. Open. Oh my God! I just like an egg.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's a little bit disgusting.
Oh.
Okay, this is the most dirty. The second dirty iPad.
So that means you guys, everyone need to clean the iPad. Can you open the iPad again for me? Ooh, so dirty.
Just there, 13.
Okay, most dirty is this one. Okay, the motorcycle. Oh my God! Disgusting.
Don't forget to give thumbs up.